In the video for today, I'm going to show you how to boost your Android phone's RAM up to 8 GB to improve its performance. If you are a person who is into gaming, or if you want your phone to perform better or to be specific faster, the first thing what you need to ensure is your RAM is proper or your RAM is enough on your phone. Even if your phone memory is clear and you have a very small RAM space on your phone, it is not going to help your phone perform better or perform faster. To boost your RAM, this is what you need to do. Get hold of your Android device and then you get to settings directly. Once you are here, you need to look for RAM booster or whatever the option may be available on your phone. Alright, since I have a nothing phone, it is under special features. So if you have this option, you could do that. But if you do not, you could just search for RAM booster. So under special features, I have my RAM booster. So if I click on that, I get an option to boost my phone's RAM up to 8 GB. So once you select the boost option, you need to reboot the phone so that this is applied to your phone. So again, if you do not get the option for special features on your phone, maybe if you're using a OnePlus or Samsung, you could do a search for RAM booster out here directly and you're going to get a suggestion instead of, just breaking your head and looking around. You could get to the screen directly. So this option is mostly available for newer Android devices, but if you have an old Android device and you do not have this RAM booster option, what you could do is get to Google Play and download an application that is going to boost your RAM. So you could just type in RAM booster out here. You're going to see a lot of applications out here like Ultra RAM Swapper or Swap, No Root. You could use any one of these applications to see which works best for your phone. So in order for you to ensure that this option of installing an application and using the boost works better, you need to ensure that you have some free secondary memory. So clear your internal storage before you actually install an application from here to boost your RAM. So if you have like 2 GB or 3 GB of RAM, you clear your internal memory and then use Ultra RAM Swapper, for instance, and you may just be able to boost your RAM. You could give it a try and let me know in the comment section below if this works for you if you do not have RAM booster for your phone. Give my video a thumbs up, subscribe, and hit the bell notification icon. Take care, my friend.